thick like honey from his throat. To us he spoke. Walk easy on this ground and carry the weak. If you find yourself a soldier, you best believe that's what we need. Oh, and use your voice to scare the demons from your mind. Never ever fear what it is that you might find. Love a good woman, earn it in return, and embrace your confusion. 'Cause some fires will always burn. Drugs are not the answer, but they can show you the doors. But these are my lessons, given to those I adore. His words drip thick like honey from his lips.